So continuous nebulization is something that we need to do when the patient has got severe exacerbation and admitted to the ICU. So this is the Aerogen Pro. This cannot be used for continuous nebulization. This is Aerogen Pro. But what we need to use is Aeroneb Solo, which is this one. This is called as Aerogen Solo. Aerogen Solo. Aerogen Solo looks like this. There is a wire that goes from here into the connector, into this wire, which actually is the controller. This is the controller that actually says on and off for how much of minutes you want. That is 30 minutes or for 6 hours, isn't it? 6 hours or 30 minutes. So when we are actually going to nebulize, we can actually put it for 6 hours on that. We can put it for 6 hours on the nebulization. We can stop after 2 hours. Now, when you want to do continuous nebulization, what we require is this Aeroneb Solo. This Aeroneb Solo, which has got this nipple and a syringe that looks like this. You cannot use any syringe that you have. You need to use this Aerogen syringe. It's called Aerogen syringe. It's called Aerogen syringe, and it is written over here, continuous nebulization use only. It is for continuous nebulization use only. What happens with this is the end of the syringe has got an attachment that looks like this. An attachment that looks like this, which has got an end and this kind of tube over here. Now what we do with this is, we take this tube, open this nipple, and put this inside and tighten this. So it's a dual lock connection that gets tightened inside. This gets tightened inside. So there is no need to open and put, open and put, open and put. You fill the syringe with nebulization, and how do you attach this? You attach this to the infusion pump. You attach this to the infusion pump, and at the same time, you attach this to the inspiratory limb of the circuit. You attach it to the inspiratory limb of the circuit, and you switch on with the controller. Switch on the controller at 6 hours. 6 hours. Okay, and that's how we go ahead. Okay, this is the principle of continuous nebulization. Meanwhile, you also come here and look at the peak expiratory flow rates whenever you're doing this. Okay, so that you know when to stop it. So at the moment, peak expiratory flow is 37. I've checked it by looking at it. We see as and when it improves, we actually stop it. So on an approximate 1 to 2 hours nebulization, we can give levosalbutamol. Look for side effects like arrhythmia. Look for side effects like hypokalemia. Two things that you need to look at. Okay.